Greetings, everybody. It's another beautiful day, and we're headed to some more yard sales. We got one in the GPS, but we're also looking for the signs.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, hello.
I'm good, how are you?
Good.
Good, thanks.
Good.
Oh, look at all these inches far here. Have you had some traffic today?
Yeah, we have.
Great.
Apparently Fridays are like a big deal for
Some
these
people.
type of things. I had no idea.
Yeah.
We're moving, so just trying to get rid of stuff.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I know how that goes.
There's another bow and arrow thing down on the ground too there.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
What would you like for this?
$3.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah, no, let's give it a try.
I like it. It's cute.
Yeah, this chair's cool.
2011.
You scan that barcode.
Yeah, it does. I just don't
2011 Lion King lithograph. Unfortunately, not really.
This is a brand new sweatshirt for a ski party that we went to. We never used it.
Let's get these and then head on home and see if we can catch another little surprise on the way home.
Okay. I guess we'll just go with these two things then.
Sure. So it was 3 and 4.
Okay. Sorry, I don't make things smaller. Okay, thanks so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks so
Have a
much.
good day.
You as well,
too.
thanks.
You too. Thank you.
So not every day is all you planned it, right?
No.
Yeah. I mean, even the GPS coordinates with the yard sale that we were supposed to go to wasn't there. So, you know, it's just, sometimes it's just one of those days. We only found one yard sale, but, you know.
We didn't do badly.
Yeah.
We didn't do badly. We got 2 items that we haven't sourced before. I don't believe you have. Little girls outside bows, junior bows.
Yeah.
Actually, this one's pretty cool too. And that one's real tree, but this one is little compound bows. I don't know, I just think it's so cute. I actually have a couple of my own, the real kind. But if I had a daughter, I would be loving this.
Yeah, I don't know. Kaya doesn't like it, so we'll be selling it for about
It's
$30.
I would have said Kaya, but I was like, I think this is for 8 years old and up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and a 6-pound draw. She's pretty strong.
Yeah, she's a lot stronger. But this would be fun. I know she would definitely like this. This Real Tree, it's always a good brand. And this is pretty cool. You know,
Yeah.
It's like a little dart arrow gun.
It launches up to 40 feet, and that's pretty cool because generally speaking, when it comes to hunting, 40 feet for the most part is what's recommended.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And it also features an LED scope. So this thing is pretty rad.
I loved it. The tomboy in me is going crazy.
Right? Yeah. I don't know. I want to shoot this thing, honestly. I want to see it. I don't care if it's pink.
You guys probably already know that Real Tree is super popular right now, the brand of clothing. So keep your eyes peeled for Real Tree. That's what makes that little compound bow with the sight extra special.
Yeah, so we'll have put some comps up there for you to show you what these have actually sold for. And you know, since we didn't have a lot of things to show you today, as far as what we sourced and got into at yard sales, we did have some really cool and positive things happen for us this week. We had a lot of really cool things sell.
We did!
So we would like to actually maybe kind of go through and show you some of those comps.
Of our favorites, you know,
Yeah.
just wacky fun things that we sold that you guys can keep your eyes open for. Not necessarily the most expensive things that we sold, and we're very blessed and thankful we have had a great week. But we have a couple of things we want to share with you that we just think are pretty awesome.
Yeah, I mean, we had some more vintage Halloween things sell. Just some decorations, some like cutouts that you stick on the wall for $17.99 plus shipping. And you know, you can find those just about anywhere at yard sales and stuff. We came across one, if you may have remembered, we did a little photo on that we sold for like $80, just one cutout. So be on the lookout for those vintage Halloweens.
I had actually a really cool sale. I've done a video on the brand Hummel. So I went on this crazy Hummel kick that I learned from one of my favorite YouTubers, the Nurse Flipper. And I sold it. I sold my first little Hummel for $27. Is a little baby baba boy ring. So cute, but I bought it for nothing. It was the first one I sold, so I was pretty excited about that one.
Awesome, that is pretty cute. Now, dear to my heart, actually, this is one item that sort of has a little bit of sentimental value for me, because this was my personal collection of my favorite band, Ween. That's right, okay. And for $200, somebody bought my old Ween CD collection. Now, these are just like the studio version ones. I sold all of the rare singles and all of that for, you know, some of them $70 to $80 per CD. So a lot of 14, $200 went to another Ween fan, and I'm really happy they're enjoying that music right now.
Yay! I love that. I know it's like double-edged sword sometimes.
It was a bittersweet sale.
Yeah, that's what I meant. The
Okay.
bittersweet, that's what I meant. I was
Okay.
searching for the words. So I had a really fun sale on Mercari, and you guys are gonna laugh because this is one of these things that Dustin dug out of the attic, which you
Right.
have to, check out this crazy attic I have. But I sold a strawberry shortcake telephone, vintage telephone thing for, it was like $23, but this funny little strawberry shortcake was so fun. I knew nothing about it when I first started thrifting, so I brought it home, and yeah, Dustin listed it.
And then cross-listed it, and it ended up selling on Mercari. So,
Yeah.
pretty cool. Yeah, absolutely. Another really cool sale going on eBay is something that you found, honey, like less than a week ago. And I listed it right away because we knew it was that cool. It is this New York Yankees pink satin snap-up baseball jacket. Bomber style, you know, just the baseball. Now, some Yankees fan bought this for their daughter and is waiting for that New York Yankees game to go to.
So exciting this purchase was, because it was almost like Grease, like the girl, like, you know, from Grease Lightning, like
Yeah.
pinky with the satin, and it
Okay.
was just so beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, $79.99 plus shipping, guys. So,
We've had kind of a roll with kids stuff the last week or so, and especially out today when we were doing our sailing, right? It's like kids theme.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It really has been. Yeah, true, totally true.
Yeah. Cool. Let's see, what else did you have?
Let's see. While you're looking here, I have also another one in eBay. This also came from Michelle's Attic of Wonders. This is really. I mean, you guys. Okay, maybe you've seen the video already, where we the live video actually of all the stuff in the attic there. So this also came from the live attic, or the Attic of Wonders. These New Balance shoes made for J. Crew. And those sold for $67.99, free shipping really, because they went to the eBay authentication place. So another really cool find from Michelle's attic.
From my attic.
That you sourced from like how long ago? Who knows? But
Last year and a half ago. The last thing that I wanted to mention is just something practical that it's great to like keep our eyes open for, and that is Finsulate leather snowmobile bib pants. Basically, Finsulated bib pants. We had a great pair that sold vintage 3M for $45 plus $21.60 in shipping. This looks like it was your listing, right, Dustin?
yes, I picked those out of the bins. I'm not sure how long ago, back in Minnesota, and listed those on eBay, and then coming here, been cross-listing just about everything to Mercari and Poshmark. So that's where they sold, on Mercari.
Surprisingly, you guys, with all this cross-posting we've been doing, as we've been, like just merging together, Mercari has been the one that we've been so surprised with sales.
Right, yeah. I have. I'm not sure why I haven't been doing that for quite a long time, honestly, because Mercari's got a good audience for jerseys. I've noticed jerseys go on Mercari. One thing I've noticed on Poshmark that I was surprised about is their laundry baskets. Yes, vintage laundry baskets, like the old Rubbermaid ones. I've sold 4 of them.
The post office hates us because with this McFlip and ship boxing business over here.
Yes. So yeah, we're walking on a little bit different now.
We're walking on a thin line with them.
Yeah, they one of the guys got a little snappy with us the other day.
He got a dose of like the East Coast New York, like I'm gonna give it right back to you and dust towards sweet Dustin.
I know. I'm like, oh
It's a Midwestern thing,
Yeah, let's move back to Minnesota.
Yeah, I know.
Anyways, no, our postal workers there are very nice. We really appreciate all their help. But we do bring laundry baskets there in the past week.
Frequently.
Yes, 4 of them.
The
Not kidding,
baskets are like, the boxes are like half the size of me.
It's perfect though because they fit in a Home Depot large size box, which is really, really cool. So fits right in there. Don't be afraid of those laundry baskets because they sell for around like $30 or so on Poshmark.
I never knew that people wanted matching baskets.
Yeah, I suppose, they got moms from 1993 and, they want one that they can stack and matches color or something. Who knows? But people will still buy those for around $30, maybe even more depending. So keep an eye out for those, yeah. And they fit so nicely in a Home Depot large size box.
That's good to know.
Yeah. What about Poshmark?
What's happening?
Cool you had on Poshmark?
Okay, so on Poshmark, I had quite a bit of nibbles. I had lots of nibblies.
You're always sending offers on Poshmark.
I am always sending. I sold a really beautiful cashmere sweater. It was a very unique color. It was like a chartreuse orange yellow, absolutely gorgeous, brand name, beautiful. It was in my closet for a while because of the color of it, but so unique. I sold it for $30. People always laugh. They think cashmere is going to go for like $900. So, could I have gotten another $40 maybe? But you know what? It found a great home with someone who looks fabulous in that color. So I said yes.
Yeah, it feels good just to get that right item to the right buyer.
Right.
And at a good deal, they're feeling good. We're putting money in our pockets and making space. So.
And the thing is I don't know about you guys, but with this slow weirdness that's been going on for the last few months, it's picking up now. But we are really, really going through our inventory and getting rid of inventory that's stale, because it's just taking up time. It's totally it's just wasting time, and almost like starting all over again, but kind of just.
Yeah, we're taking reasonable offers, you know, for the most part, especially on that really old stale stuff. So
yeah,
it's a good thing to do. Speaking of old stale stuff, okay, this one we found upstairs as well, up in the attic, and this is a Nike on-field newest tags Green Bay Packers Aaron Rodgers jersey. Okay, just sitting there. So what I did is I listed it on eBay.
I'm a hoarder, maybe.
And then I cross-listed it, and it sold in a day for like $75 on Mercari. Like I said, the jerseys really move on Mercari. Put your jerseys on Mercari. It will sell there much faster, I've noticed. Another really great sale. And
you can't miss our live, or even if the replay, if you can't, whenever this airs, of Michelle's what are you gonna call it? What are you gonna call this Saturday night?
Oh boy, I don't know, but you'll have seen the title. It's probably gonna be something like the Attic of Wonders.
It's
or
gonna
something.
be.
I really don't know.
And it's just gonna be running. So come, yeah.
Yeah, check it out.
Check it out.
It's already been aired, I'm sure.
Okay.
All right, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you maybe have learned a thing or two on what to keep an eye out for yourselves, and that's going to sell, or maybe even what platform to sell it on.
Well, and the other thing too that I think is really important about doing this video is that not every single time we go out we have, you know, the most fantastic time, or we find the most incredible stuff. We found some great stuff today, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But, you know.
Yeah, we went out with the intention to hit a bunch of yard sales, and we were headed to like a townhome, you know, supposedly. So, and that just wasn't there. So, you know, we followed the signs, we found one, and we still came away with some profits. We had a beautiful ride and a beautiful day.
It was gorgeous.
Spend time together. Got to eat some Wendy's. That, so.
As usual. Yeah, and so, you know, we came home and we were just thinking about all the great things we have to be thankful for this week, and we're so happy that you guys shared your time with us so you can see what we picked out. And there's always a silver lining, right? And hey, we're human.
Yeah.
We did well.
Yeah.
Until the next one.
Yeah, we just gotta keep that positive attitude, guys. And until next time, hats off to you.
I always get excited when I see those really bright signs, and you get up to them and it's like one of those political signs. That's what you think from afar.
Yeah.
It's a garage sale and you're like, oh,
fake out.
Psych. Please don't let me buy any knitted blankets. Okay?
Oh, okay.
I haven't shown you my bow yet, have I?
You got one in the garage?
I have two.
Oh, sweet.
Not in the garage, in the house.
Oh.
In the basement, like beautiful bow. I really think it'd be really awesome if we did a real video like that, baby. Oh, you did? Would that have been bad?
No.
Oh, it would have fallen.
No, I mean, I literally almost like it was a coat.
Like a coat hanger?
Yeah, a coat hanger.
I kicked it. I want to see what that looks like at the end.